Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Since the Pride month is already here, I decided to create a Pride look for you all. I already did a rainbow look in my last Pride makeup tutorial, so this time I decided to switch things up and I decided to create this butterfly rainbow eye look for you all. And this is something very exciting and very new to me especially. Hope you enjoy, and if you do, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm just priming my eyelids using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Wet n Wild. Now I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Life. It's a beautiful red color and it is my Morphe 25L Live-In Artistry palette, and with this e.l.f. lip brush I'm just like carving out my crease. Actually, this is going to be a guideline for the rainbow that I'll be making. I'm not going to cut my crease with any kind of concealer whatsoever, so this is going to be just a guideline for the butterfly wing as well as for the rainbow. I'm taking the shade called Truth. It's a beautiful violet color. It's a matte shade, and with this e.l.f. brush I'm just stamping it on my outer V area, and I'm keeping it just below that red line that I just created. Now I'm taking this matte blue shade from my Makeup Revolution Wild Animal Integrity palette, and I'm placing it next to the violet eyeshadow, and I'm using the same brush. These are matte shades, so matte shades usually work great when you stamp it instead of just sweeping it. So I'm doing the same thing here, and at the same time I'm blending it out with the violet shade. I'm taking this parrot green shade from the palette and I'm applying it just next to the blue eyeshadow I just applied. It's a beautiful parrot green color, and again I'm just stamping it. I'm not sweeping it at all, and at the same time I'm blending it out with the blue eyeshadow. I'm taking the red shade again from the Morphe palette and I'm placing it next to the parrot green eyeshadow, and this time I'm using a brush from Morphe X Jeffree Star collection. This is a small detail blending brush. Now I'm taking this matte orange shade from my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm just placing it next to the red eyeshadow. The orange eyeshadow in the Morphe palette is not that vibrant, and I wanted a vibrant look. That's why I used that orange shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm taking this matte yellow shade from the palette and I'm placing it on the inner part of my eyelid. So the rainbow is pretty much done, and now it's time to blend out the edges and then creating those wings. I'm taking this bright pink shade from the palette and I'm just blending out the edges. At first I decided to go with a neutral shade, then I decided to add more color because why not? It's a Pride makeup, so color is must. And don't worry about the gap, it will be all sorted when I will apply the eyeliner. Now the fun part begins. Taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner, I'm just creating those wings and I'm slightly trying to mimic the butterfly wing shape. That means it's not a straight line. You can see there is a slight dent on the middle part. And this was so fun to create, and it was pretty much adventurous for me. I have never done such thing in my life, and every time I was like, I will screw up, but thankfully none of that sort happened. Now I'm just creating a normal normal wing here with the same eyeliner. Now I'm just creating a very thin line on top of that red eyeshadow that I applied first. And first I'm drawing a thin line, then I'll be like thickening it up. It is just going to be the base for the wing. This step was really scary though. Now I'm just thickening up the eyeliner. Now I am drawing a second line just below the first line. This is pretty much self-explanatory. You can totally see what I'm doing here. And I'm trying to be really careful in this stage, because if I screw up then the entire look is lost. And I'm just creating those details between those two lines. Again, this look is pretty much self-explanatory. I decided to drag the first line towards my inner corner a bit. And now taking this NYX white eyeliner, I'm just creating those small dots. Again, this is all about the details. So this is actually giving the look that butterfly wing appearance. And it's just normal, simple dots. There is nothing to explain. It is pretty much done. I'm just lining my waterline using my Jordana Easy eyeliner pencil in the shade Jet Blue. It's a gorgeous blue eyeliner. Now taking that violet shade, I'm applying it on the outer part of my lower lash line. Basically, I'm going to repeat the order of colors that I did for my eyelid. Now I'm taking the matte green shade, I'm applying it next to the violet shade, and taking the red shade, I'm applying it just next to the parrot green shade. And I applied the yellow shade on the inner part of my eyelid. Now curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm going to use falsies off camera, and then the look will be all done. And here is the final eye look. I used the Pro BeautyLashes, which I got from TJ Maxx, and I really loved how it turned out. Again, this look was pretty much adventurous for me, and I was not expecting this. Actually, I think this look turned out to be really good. So hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description but down below, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.